Hello friends, welcome to Learning Screen. In this tutorial we will learn how to change background color and make it attractive without using mask. First select your image and click on this adjustment layer icon and choose Channel Mixer. Now go to Channel Mixer Properties panel and select the blue channel from the drop-down list. Now let's go ahead and change the value of red area to -100. Green, 200. And blue, 0. You can see our channel mixer is applied, but it affects the whole area. Don't worry, we don't need to mask. Just go to the blending mode and change it to lighten. Now channel mixer only applied to background. This method is specially for green background. Now let's go to camera raw filter to enhance more contrast. Now let's try this method in another image, and change the background color to orange. To make the background color orange, again, create a channel mixer adjustment layer. And this time, select the red channel. Then change the value of red to 0. Green 200. Blue -100. To affect only the background, change blending mode to lighten. You can see channel mixer also applied to cloth. Because his cloth is green. Sometimes it seems good. But you can also remove the channel mixer color to those area using mask method. So, select the white mask of the channel mixer, and paint black to those area where you don't want to be affected by channel mixer.